Leetcode weekly context 484. Question number 1. Count residue prefixes. This is an easy problem if we can go through all elements in this array. So along with the looping, we're gonna find for each run there's gonna be a new prefix that we can check. So there are two things we want to check. The first thing is number of distinct characters. We can use a dict for the counting. And second, we want to know the length of this prefix. And then we just compare the output of step 2 and the step 3. Then we can get if this is the prefix we are looking for or not. That's how we solve this problem.